Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is, if I cough with this, I have to do my brother's chores for a whole week. Let's get into it. So, let me just spoon full of it. I need a coughing cup. Sorry guys, but I just coughed up that in my eye. Well, looks like I'm going to have to be doing my brother's chores for a week. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!